Welcome back to SCS online class. Today in class 5 math in chapter 7 money, I will explain exercise 7b bill. Student, what is bill? Bill is a slip or a piece of paper that shows how much money we have to pay or you have to pay somebody for the goods or services. So what is bill? Bill is a slip or piece of paper that shows how much money we have to pay somebody for goods or services. Now there are different kinds of bill. We use electricity, we get electricity bill. We use water, we get water bill. We use telephone, we get telephone bill. We go to restaurant and place an order, we get a bill. Student studying in the school, they get school fee bill. Now when you go to the market and you purchase, any good or item, shopkeeper gives you a bill. That is shopping bill. So student, in our syllabus there is shopping bill. Clear? Now what is shopping bill? A shopkeeper maintains the track of day-to-day sale. The shopkeeper maintains the track of day-to-day sale in a book called sales book, and each page of the sales book is called a sales slip. And what are the features of this bill, shopping bill? Student, shopping bill has the name and address of the shopkeeper, mobile number of shopkeeper, bill number, purchasing rate, name and address of the customer, name of the item, quantity, rate, amount, sign of the shopkeeper. Now what are the advantages of the bill? Bill tells us how much money we have to pay. What first advantage? Bill tells us how much money we have to pay. Bill tells us whether money is being correctly demanded or not. Now bill has the name and address, quantity, date, amount. So it is whatever we have purchased. So it is a proof. If any item is not liked, so we can easily return or exchange that item or good. So in this bill. So student, let's start. First question. My sister and my father went for shopping. My sister got toys, 3 doodles, 2 skipping ropes, 1 baby clock and 3 toy planes. Cost of 1 doodle was rupees 22.50. 1 skipping rope rupees 25. 1 baby clock rupees 75 and 1 toy plane rupees 50. Student, I have written here kids zone Dainik Prayagraj. You can write your own shop from where you purchase these toys. You can imagine, you can write. So student, I have written the name and address of the shop. Now name and address of the customer, you can write your own name. Now mobile number of the shop, bill number, date, purchasing date. Now student, see serial number, name of the item, quantity, rate, amount. So my sister got toys. What? 3 doodles. So student, first doodles. First item, doodles. Quantity 3 and 1 doodle is 22.50. Cost of 1 doodle is 22.50. Now cost of 3 doodles, student, we multiply 300, 3515, 326, 1 carry 7. Now 326 rupees 67.50. Second item is student, skipping ropes. Skipping ropes, quantity 22. Now one skipping rope, rupees 25. Student, we can write in this manner also. It is whole number. So now multiply 25 to 50. 5 0. Now third, one building block. One building blocks. One building block, how much? Rupees 21. Rupees 75. So we can write 75. Now toy planes. Fourth item, toy planes. How much toy planes? 3 toy planes. Cost of one toy plane, rupees 50. So student, 50 into 3 by 15, rupees 150. Now what we have to do? We have to add this amount. 0, 5, now 7, 3, 10, 2, 12, 1 carry, 6, 1, 7, 7, 14, 14, 5, 19, 1, 20, 24, 4, 2 plus 1, 3, so student, 342 rupees 50 paise. This is total amount. So student, now you have to there will be signature of the shopkeeper. So student, in this way you can prepare your bill. Here you can write any mobile number 940000. You can write your own mobile number 1 2 3 4 5 6 9. So student, you can write name and address. So in this way student, you can prepare a bill. I hope you all have understood this question. Next question student. Akash went to a stationery shop and bought 6 pens at rupees 15.50 each and 3 erasers at rupees 3.50 each and 4 notebooks at rupees 12.50 each. Prepare a bill in your notebook. Student, what does this each means? 6 pens at rupees 15.50 each means cost of 1 pen is rupees 15.50. 3 erasers at rupees 3.50 each means cost of 1 eraser is 3 rupees 50 paise. 4 notebooks at rupees 12.50 each means 1 notebook is rupees 12.50. Now student, what we have to do? We have to write the name of the shop, stationery shop. Here I have written education stationery Dainik Prayagraj. Here name and address of the customer who is going to purchase. Now mobile number, bill number, date, that you have to enter by your own. Bill number, it is a serial number that is entered here. 1, 2, 5 are written. Date, you can write 020 920. Mobile number, you can write your own. Now first serial number see 6 pens. So first item pen. Now student quantity 6. Rate rupees 15.50. So what we have to do? We have to multiply 15.50 by 6. See here 600 6530 to decimal. Now 6530 plus 333 6166 plus 3 9 rupees 93. Once again see 600 6530 0 3 carry 6530 30 plus 333 3 carry 616 6 plus 3 9. Now next eraser. Quantity 3. Price rupees 3.50. Multiply 300 3515 300 3515 3 multiply 39 1 carry 10. Third, notebooks. Our item is notebooks. Quantity 4. Rate 12 rupees 50 paise. Multiply 400 4520 400 4520 to carry 428 to 10 414 426. See here 400 4520 here to carry 4 to 8 8 plus 2 10 by 0 1 carry 41415. Now what we have to do? We have to write 0 5 3 9 1 10 10 5 15 153. So students, rupees 153 rupees 50 paise total amount. So in this way we have to prepare a bill. Once again what we have to do? First we have to write the name and address of the shop, phone or mobile number of the shop, bill number, date, and then name of the items. See here, like here I have written pen, eraser, notebook. Quantity, how much quantity? Quantity of each item or goods. Now rate per piece, clear? And then we multiply to get a total amount of that good or item. And afterwards, what you will do? You will add and you will get the total amount. So see, this is a proof. If you have a bill, you can easily return or exchange your goods or item to the shop. Here, if you have any problem. So student, exercise 7 be completed. Thank you.